Bathrooms and wet rooms represent critical areas within a structure where excess moisture poses a significant threat to the integrity of the entire building. To safeguard the structural integrity, it is imperative to establish comprehensive waterproofing measures. The Köster BD system, a solution that delivers seamless waterproofing across both wall and floor surfaces, featuring an elastic crack bridging system. At the foundation of this system lies the Köster BD50 primer, a deeply penetrating primer engineered to establish a strong adhesive bond with the substrate. It is designed for application on substrates that are either dry or slightly moist. This remarkable primer serves a dual purpose. It diminishes the substrate's absorbency while simultaneously enhancing its overall strength. Once dried, it leaves behind a transparent yet slightly tacky surface, providing an ideal foundation for the subsequent installation of waterproofing systems. The versatility of the Köster BD50 primer is evident in its application methods, which include brushing, rolling, or even employing simple spray equipment. Moreover, it extends its protective coverage across the entirety of the surface, including walls, floors, and intricate details such as areas surrounding pipe penetrations and floor drains. Köster BD50 is a ready-for-use, solvent-free sealing compound designed to ensure optimal protection for wall and floor surfaces in bathrooms and wet rooms. Gently homogenized the Köster BD50 by stirring in the bucket for approximately 1 minute to guarantee the compound's uniform consistency. For an effective waterproofing application, we recommend commencing with the treatment of critical areas. These include the corners, joints, and intricate details within the space. For inside corners, begin by generously applying a layer of Köster BD50, extending approximately 10 centimeters up the wall and 10 centimeters across the floor. This initial layer forms the foundation of the waterproofing process. Into this fresh layer, embed the elastic, preformed piece Köster BD inside corner. Ensure the fabric edges of the Köster BD inside corner are diligently worked to guarantee complete coverage with Köster BD50. This dynamic installation process is carried out in a fresh-in-fresh fashion, eliminating the need for drying time. Alternatively, you can reinforce inner corners using a tailored piece of Köster Superfleece, measuring approximately 20 centimeters in length. Fold this fabric strip in the middle and make a centered cut halfway through. This prepared Köster Superfleece piece is then embedded into the still fresh layer of Köster BD50, and just like with the Köster BD inside corner, it should be diligently overworked with Köster BD50 for comprehensive coverage. On outside corners, commence by applying a generous layer of Köster BD50, extending approximately 10 centimeters up the wall and 10 centimeters across the floor. This foundational layer mirrors the approach used for inside corners, creating a solid base for waterproofing. Embed the Köster BD outside corner into this fresh layer and ensure that the fabric edges are meticulously overworked, ensuring complete coverage with Köster BD50. The entire process is executed fresh-in-fresh as well, eliminating the need for any drying time. For a versatile alternative, consider reinforcing outer corners using tailored pieces of Köster Superfleece. In this scenario, 2 pieces are required, a strip measuring approximately 20 centimeters in length and a square piece measuring roughly 10 by 10 centimeters. Fold the fabric strip in the middle and make a centered cut halfway through. Similarly, fold the square piece into a triangle and cut it from one corner halfway through as well. Embed the strip of Köster Superfleece into the still fresh layer of Köster BD50, ensuring comprehensive coverage with Köster BD50. As for the square piece, place it with the cut side facing upwards and cover it with an additional layer of Köster BD50. When addressing pipe penetrations, meticulous preparation is vital to maintain a watertight seal. Begin by creating a prepared area with a minimum radius of 15 centimeters around the pipe penetration. Coat this designated space with a layer of Köster BD50, ensuring thorough coverage. Now, carefully slide the Köster BD wall sleeve over the end of the pipe. Embed the sleeve into the still fresh layer of Köster BD50. Take special care to diligently work the fabric edges of the Köster BD wall sleeve, ensuring the fabric is entirely embedded in Köster BD50. Alternatively, you can tailor your solution by using a piece of Köster Superfleece, approximately 10 by 10 centimeters. Fold and cut this fabric circularly in the middle, creating an opening. This is a manual step, but should be executed so that the Köster Superfleece can still stretch over the blind plug. Embed the Köster Superfleece piece into the pre-applied layer of Köster BD50. After this, completely overwork the Köster Superfleece with an additional layer of Köster BD50. The Köster BD Flex Tape K120 is an exceptional sealing tape with high flexibility and rubber-like properties and is specifically designed to address critical waterproofing and high-risk areas. It plays a pivotal role in securing the structural integrity of construction joints, as well as those vulnerable wall-to-wall and wall-to-floor connection when addressing vertical joints. Start by applying a generous layer of Köster BD50, covering approximately 10 centimeters on both walls. Within this fresh layer of Köster BD50, carefully embed the Köster BD Flex Tape K120. To ensure a reliable seal, take extra care to meticulously overwork the fabric edges of the Köster BD Flex Tape K120, ensuring complete coverage with Köster BD50. The same procedure is applied when reinforcing horizontal wall-to-floor junctions, ensuring that this vulnerable area receives the same high-quality protection. An equally effective approach for reinforcing joints and junctions is to employ Köster Superfleece. Place the 10 centimeters wide Köster Superfleece in the corner, embedding it into the previously applied Köster BD50. This highly flexible and resistant fleece is then diligently overworked with another layer of Köster BD50. This ensures a proper overlap with both inside and outside corner reinforcements, safeguarding the structural elements. The meticulous installation of the Köster BD floor sleeve is a critical component of ensuring a waterproof and reliable floor drain system. The Köster BD floor sleeve should be precisely positioned above the floor drain, and an opening of the same size and shape as the floor drain is cut into the Köster BD floor sleeve. Importantly, it should overlap approximately 3 to 5 millimeters inwards into the floor drain. The surface where the Köster BD floor sleeve will be applied must be thoroughly prepared with a layer of Köster BD50. Carefully embed the Köster BD floor sleeve into the still fresh layer of Köster BD50, ensuring that it adheres securely and seamlessly. It's crucial to pay close attention to the fabric edges of the Köster BD floor sleeve, making certain that the fabric is entirely covered with Köster BD50. As an alternative, a floor sleeve made of Köster Superfleece can be utilized around the installed floor drain. This approach provides flexibility while maintaining the high standards of waterproofing and protection for the system. Köster BD50 stands as a ready-to-use sealing compound, designed for achieving superior waterproofing results. Start by applying Köster BD50 in a minimum of 2 layers. This multi-layer approach is fundamental to establishing a robust and reliable waterproofing barrier, ensuring optimal protection. The total consumption of Köster BD50 typically averages around 1.2 kilograms per square meter. Allow for a waiting period of at least 3 hours between the application of each layer. This interval is critical to permit proper bonding and curing, enhancing the overall effectiveness of the waterproofing system. The application of the second waterproofing layer of Köster BD50 is a crucial step in ensuring comprehensive waterproofing. To enhance the precision of this process and enable a visual inspection of the second layer in relation to the first, we introduce Köster BD50 Contrast. Köster BD50 Contrast is incorporated into the ready-to-apply Köster BD50 and homogenized by employing a slow-rotating electrical mixer. Once the Köster BD50 Contrast is integrated, the application of Köster BD50 is performed. Köster BD50 is applied to the entire floor surface using a brush or roller. To minimize disruption and ensure a flawless application, it is recommended to begin by waterproofing all the walls and conclude with the floor areas. After a waiting period of 3 hours, proceed to apply a second waterproofing layer to the floors, mixed with Köster BD50 Contrast for enhanced visual control. For optimal results, allow the completed waterproofing system to dry for a minimum of 20 hours before any further work is undertaken. Beyond polymer dispersions like Köster BD50, standards like the DIN 18534 also embrace crack-bridging mineral sealing slurries, such as Köster NB4000, for ensuring the watertight integrity of wet rooms. Köster NB4000 is suitable for areas exposed to varying water exposure classes, spanning from W01 to W3I, both on walls and floors, and is applied in a minimum dry layer thickness of 2 mm. The Köster BD flexible tile adhesive is an essential component in the Köster BD system. Wait approximately 20 hours after the waterproofing has fully cured and mix the tile adhesive with 7 to 7.5 liters of clean water. Apply the Köster BD flexible tile adhesive using a notched trowel and secure the tiles into the fresh adhesive for a professional finish. The Köster BD system is a professional-grade, solvent-free, and readily applicable sealing system meticulously engineered for waterproofing wall and floor surfaces in environments prone to moisture, such as bathrooms and wet rooms. This system is specifically designed to ensure lasting and effective protection, particularly under tiled surfaces. Köster BD50, a permanently safe waterproofing for your damp or wet room.